What up, everybody? It's your boy, Leroy. Struggling to make money in this digital age? Feeling like you're stuck in a financial hamster wheel? So many people are looking for that next big thing. The game is changing. The internet is evolving. We're diving deep into a revolutionary space that's minting millionaires. Are you ready for this? 30 ways to use Web3 to make money. Proven methods people are using right now to generate serious income. This video is your launch pad. Alright, kicking things off with method number 1, and it's a classic for a reason: cryptocurrency trading. Buy low, sell high. Sounds easy, right? It's like riding the world's most insane roller coaster. We're talking about digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and thousands of others. Fortunes can be made fast if you play your cards right. Use cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. And don't forget decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Higher risk, but potential rewards can be astronomical. Remember, with great potential comes great responsibility and risk. For those willing to learn and stay disciplined, cryptocurrency trading offers unparalleled opportunities. Alright, method number 2 is where things get really juicy, guys. We're talking about yield farming. Yield farming is like planting seeds and watching your money grow, sometimes at an absolutely insane rate. We're talking about potentially double-digit or even triple-digit annual percentage yields, APYs. It's a powerful way to make your crypto work for you, generating passive income while you sleep, while you game, while you're out living your best life. This is next-level stuff, people. In simple terms, you're providing liquidity, lending out your crypto assets to DeFi protocols. Platforms like Aave, Compound, or Curve Finance are some of the big dogs in this space. You're essentially helping these platforms operate smoothly, and for that, you get rewarded. Big time. It's like a money-making machine that feeds itself, creating multiple streams of income from one initial deposit. Now, I gotta keep it real with you. Yield farming isn't without its complexities and risks. But for those willing to dive in, learn the strategies, and manage the risks, yield farming offers an absolutely incredible opportunity to generate substantial passive income. Alright team, let's talk about making your crypto work for you, even while you're sleeping, eating, or, I don't know, watching more of my videos. We're diving into staking tokens. This is like one of the most mind-blowingly awesome ways to earn passive income in the Web3 world. Imagine you have some cash, right? Instead of just letting it sit in a dusty old bank account earning practically nothing, staking is like putting that cash into a supercharged investment that actually pays you for holding it. You're not just a spectator in the crypto game anymore, you're an active player, helping to secure the network and getting rewarded big time for it. This isn't some get-rich-quick nonsense. This is a legitimate strategy that people are using right now to grow their crypto bags significantly. So how does this magic actually happen? Think of these big blockchain networks like Ethereum with its new proof-of-stake system, or Cardano, or Polkadot. They need to stay secure, they need transactions to be validated, right? That's where you come in with your tokens. By staking your crypto, you're essentially locking it up for a period to help support the network's operations and security. It's like you're putting down a security deposit that says, hey, I believe in this project and I'm helping to keep it running smoothly and honestly. And for doing that, for being a good digital citizen, the network rewards you with more tokens. It's a win-win. The network gets stronger and more decentralized, and you get a sweet return on your investment. It's literally like your crypto is having little crypto babies. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, the rewards. This is where staking really shines, guys. We're not talking about a measly 0.1% interest like your grandpa's savings account. Oh no. Depending on the cryptocurrency you're staking and the current network conditions, you could be looking at annual percentage yields, that's APY, ranging from a solid 4% to sometimes even over 20% or more. Can you imagine your crypto just sitting there, quietly multiplying? This is the kind of passive income stream that can genuinely change your financial future. Of course, yields can fluctuate and there are always risks in crypto, but the potential upside from staking popular, reputable tokens is absolutely massive. It's like planting a money tree in the digital world. And getting started, it's probably way easier than you think. You don't need to be some super genius coder. Many of the big trusted cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken offer staking services directly on their platforms. It's often as simple as navigating to their staking section, choosing the coin you want to stake from your holdings, and clicking a few buttons to delegate your tokens. Bam! You're earning staking rewards. Alternatively, for some coins, you can stake directly from your own non-custodial wallet, giving you more control. Just make sure you do your research on the specific token, understand any lockup periods, and pick reputable validators if you're delegating. But seriously, this is an accessible way to make your crypto grow. So, to recap, you're taking tokens you already own, like ETH for Ethereum 2.0, or ADA for Cardano, or Sol for Solana, and you're basically putting them to work. You're not trading them day in and day out, stressing over charts. You're committing them to the network, helping to validate transactions, and in return, the network pays you a sort of dividend, usually in the form of more of those same tokens. It's a fundamental part of how many modern blockchains operate, moving away from the energy-intensive proof-of-work mining that Bitcoin uses. This proof-of-stake model is generally more environmentally friendly and allows more people to participate in securing the network, not just those with powerful mining rigs. It's a game changer. Think about the long-term implications here. If you believe in a particular blockchain project and plan on holding its tokens for the long haul anyway, why wouldn't you stake them? It's like getting paid to be a long-term investor. You're compounding your gains not just from potential price appreciation of the token itself, but also from the additional tokens you're earning through staking. This is how you can significantly accelerate your crypto portfolio's growth over time. It's the power of compound interest, but supercharged by Web3 innovation. It's about playing the long game and letting the technology do the heavy lifting for you, generating wealth while you focus on other things, or, finding more ways to make even more money. Alright, listen up. If you've got a spark of creativity, this next one is huge. We're talking about launching your own NFT collection. This is for you, the artist, the musician, the gamer, the entrepreneur, the meme lord. Imagine creating something unique and selling it globally with verifiable ownership on the blockchain. Platforms like OpenSea have made minting and selling NFTs accessible. And the best part? Ongoing passive income through creator royalties. Okay, so you've been diving headfirst into this insane world of Web3. You're learning about cryptocurrencies, DeFi, NFTs, and DAOs. All that knowledge is valuable. Create and sell your own Web3 course or ebook. Millions need clear, easy-to-understand information. You could be the one to provide it and get paid handsomely. Pick your topic and start creating. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific make it easy. Or publish an ebook on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Establish yourself as an authority in Web3. This can open up many doors: consulting, speaking, partnerships. Share what you know and unlock a rewarding income stream. Alright gang, listen up. We're diving into our sixth insane way to make money with Web3. And this one is a game changer if you love video games. Selling in-game items as NFTs. With blockchain, you can design, mint, and sell digital assets as unique NFTs. Trade them, sell them, maybe even rent them out. Imagine designing a dragon mount and selling it for serious crypto. Players are earning a living by playing and trading these assets. The demand for unique in-game NFTs is exploding. Your in-game item is now a tradable NFT, ready to hit the market. This can be a legitimate income stream. The market for these in-game NFTs? It's wild. Create an item that gives players an advantage, looks cool or is rare, and people will want it. We're moving beyond just playing games to shaping their economies. Method number 7, and this one is incredible for building exclusive communities or offering premium content. We're talking about selling tokenized access passes. Imagine an NFT that acts as a key that unlocks special privileges, exclusive content, or VIP events. It's a revolutionary way to monetize your audience and skills. Content creators can offer NFTs for extra perks. Fans get a collectible NFT that proves loyalty and grants perks, perfect for building exclusive communities. Buyers join a community of like-minded individuals. The value is in the community and shared experience. Tokenized access passes can revolutionize event ticketing. Ownership is verifiable on the blockchain. The NFT can become a collectible memento from the event. This is the future of ticketing, creating next-level experiences. Alright, strap in because method number 8 is for the innovators, the builders, the visionaries out there. We are talking about creating and monetizing your very own Web3 app, or as the cool kids call it, a dApp, a decentralized application. dApps are built on the blockchain, meaning they're transparent, often community-governed, and give users more control over their data and assets. So you build this amazing dApp, but how do you make money from it? That's the million-dollar question. Or in Web3, maybe the million crypto question. You could charge tiny transaction fees every time someone uses a feature on your dApp. Or, you could offer premium features that users can unlock by paying a fee, perhaps using your dApp's very own native token. Speaking of tokens, many dApps launch their own cryptocurrencies which can be used for governance, staking, or accessing special features. As your dApp grows in popularity and utility, the value of its token can skyrocket. This is like owning a piece of the internet you helped build and getting paid for its success. It's absolutely revolutionary. Alright gang, get ready for this next one because it is absolutely mind-blowing. We're talking about token-gated community subscriptions. Imagine creating your own super exclusive club, like a VIP section of the internet. People need a special digital token to get in. This isn't just some basic online group, we're talking premium access. You control the keys to the kingdom. The earning potential is just ridiculous if you play your cards right. You, the creator, launch a unique NFT or a social token. Anyone who wants to join your exclusive community has to buy this token. If they have the token, boom, the digital doors swing open. It's all verified on the blockchain, making it super secure and transparent. You set the price for your access token. Every single time someone buys that token, that's direct revenue for you. The tokens themselves could become valuable collectibles, trading on secondary markets for even more money. This isn't just a fad, guys. This is the future of online communities. You're not just building an audience, you're building a dedicated tribe of superfans. Start thinking about token gating it, create that exclusivity, and watch the money and the engagement roll in. Let's absolutely crush this. Listen up, tech wizards. This next method to make money in Web3 is massive. Create and offer a SaaS tool for DAOs and DeFi. These Web3 organizations are growing at lightning speed. They need specialized tools to operate efficiently and secure their treasuries. This is where you come in. Build software that solves their unique problems, and they will pay you big money. The possibilities are endless. DAOs need software for proposal voting, treasury management, and secure communication. DeFi protocols need tools for risk assessment, strategy execution, and analytics. Partner with a developer and sell these tools on a subscription basis. Consistent recurring revenue every month from multiple clients. The earning potential is insane. DAOs and DeFi protocols manage assets worth millions, even billions. Paying for a SaaS tool is a no-brainer for them. Huge profits for you. Imagine creating the go-to treasury management tool for DAOs. Build a multi-million-dollar business. This is a long-term strategy for building serious wealth in Web3. The demand for these specialized B2B software solutions will grow exponentially. If you have coding skills or can spot a problem and build a solution, dive in now. Build the foundational tools that power Web3. Create something impactful and get paid incredibly well. Go from watching videos about making money to actually making life-changing stacks of it. Want to get paid in crypto for skills you already have? Then listen closely, because this one is for literally everyone. If you've got skills writing, design, coding, social media, the Web3 world is begging for you. Get paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins. Platforms like Braintrust, Talent Protocol, and Dwork are your gateway. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start applying. Work from anywhere in the world. Earn cryptocurrency and watch its value grow. Contribute to the most exciting tech revolution since the internet. Your skills are in high demand. Get paid top crypto for your contributions. Let's go get that digital bag. Alright, listen up. This next one is huge. We're talking about DAOs. Decentralized autonomous organizations. Imagine a company run by everyone involved. The community, the users, the contributors, they all get a say. This isn't some far-off dream, guys. This is happening. This is your chance to be part of something truly revolutionary and get paid for it. DAOs need all sorts of talent, just like any massive project. Most DAOs reward their contributors with their native tokens. They can be traded, they can go up in value, sometimes massively. It's more than a job. It's like joining an elite squad dedicated to building the future. So how do you jump into this DAO craziness? Start exploring. Look for projects you're passionate about. There's probably a DAO for it. This is your chance to contribute, earn, and become a core part of something that could change the world. Next up, if you love talking, explaining, and sharing cool stuff, this one is for you. We're diving into creating your own Web3 focused newsletter or YouTube channel. Think about it, this whole Web3 world is brand new to so many people. They're confused, they're curious, and they're starving for good information, explained in a way they can actually understand. You could be the one to break it all down for them. Imagine thousands, even millions of people tuning in to hear what you have to say about the latest NFT drops, the craziest DeFi strategies, or the most promising new blockchain projects. This is a wide open field, guys. And why a newsletter or YouTube channel? Because these platforms are perfect for Web3 content. With YouTube, you can make insane visuals, show people step-by-step how to use a new dApp, or interview the founders of massive projects. Think eye-popping graphics, exciting explainers, maybe even some crazy challenges related to crypto. For newsletters, you can go super in-depth, provide detailed analysis, and build a loyal community of readers who hang on your every word. You could be the go-to source, the trusted voice in this rapidly evolving space. The potential to build a massive audience is absolutely unreal right now. But let's get to the good stuff. How do you make money doing this? Oh, there are so many ways, it's not even funny. First up, sponsorships. Web3 projects have money, and they are desperate to reach engaged audiences. You build the views, they'll come knocking with big sponsorship deals. Then you've got subscriptions, offer premium content, exclusive insights, or early access for your die-hard fans who are willing to pay a monthly fee. And for the super Web3 savvy, you can even do token-gated access. Imagine needing a specific NFT or token to read your best stuff or join your private group. That's next-level engagement and monetization, people. So, what's the first step? Just start. Seriously, don't overthink it. Pick a niche you're passionate about within Web3. Maybe it's gaming, maybe it's art, maybe it's DeFi. Grab your phone, hit record, or open up Substack or Beehive and start writing. Be consistent, provide value, and engage with your audience. The Web3 content gold rush is happening as we speak. Don't just watch from the sidelines, become a creator, build your empire, and get your piece of this massive pie. This is your chance to build something huge from the ground up. Alright team, if you've ever dreamed of being an influencer for the future, then listen closely. We're talking about becoming a Web3 influencer or brand ambassador. Partner with cutting-edge blockchain projects, the ones building the new internet. These projects need you to help spread the word and get people excited. You could be the face that introduces the world to the next Bitcoin or Ethereum. The scale of this is mind-blowing. Build genuine trust and credibility. Do your research, understand the projects, and be transparent. Share your journey, your wins, your losses. Be authentic. If you can do that, the opportunities are insane, and the rewards can be life-changing. The Web3 space is looking for its next generation of superstars, and one of them could be you. Go get it. Alright people, let's talk about something absolutely massive. Something every single Web3 project on the planet needs. I'm talking about writing. Yeah, you heard me, good old-fashioned words on a page or screen, whatever. This is writing for the future, explaining the revolution that is Web3. Every new coin, every NFT project, every DAO, they all need to explain what they do. That's where you come in, and trust me, the demand is insane. Let's dive into one of the coolest ways to make bank with your writing skills. Ghostwriting. You get paid, sometimes serious money, and they get the spotlight. This is your chance to shape the narrative of the next big thing in crypto, all from behind your keyboard. Get ready, because this next one is gonna blow your mind. We're talking about combining two of the most futuristic, mind-bending technologies out there. Artificial intelligence and NFTs. Use AI to create stunning digital art, and mint them as NFTs to sell for crypto cash. Imagine having an army of talented artists at your beck and call, ready to create anything you dream up. That's the power of AI art generators like Midjourney or DALL-E. Type in a few words, and bam, the AI spits out a masterpiece. This is revolutionizing art creation, and you can be at the forefront. Once you've got a piece you love, you can easily mint it as an NFT on platforms like OpenSea. You've literally turned your thoughts into potential income. How cool is that? We are living in the future, people. And let me tell you, the market for AI-generated NFTs is exploding right now. Collectors are hungry for fresh, innovative, and sometimes downright bizarre art that pushes the boundaries, and AI art ticks all those boxes. It's new, it's exciting, and it's accessible for creators like you who might not have traditional art skills but have incredible ideas. Think about the sheer volume you can produce. You could create entire collections, themed series, or even generative projects where each piece is slightly different. This isn't just about selling one painting, it's about building a brand, a following, and a potentially massive income stream from your AI-powered creativity. So, what are the keys to crushing it with AI NFTs? First, experiment and find your unique style. Don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Push the AI to its limits and create something truly original that stands out. Learn the art of prompt engineering. The better your prompts, the better your art. Then build a community around your work. Share your creations on social media, engage with potential buyers, tell the story behind your art. Don't just mint and forget, you gotta hustle. What if your AI-generated collection becomes the next big phenomenon? The sky's the limit, so get out there and start creating with AI because this opportunity is huge. Okay, listen up, because this next one is for all you creative minds out there who have an eye for design and a passion for making things look awesome and work smoothly. We're talking about Web3 UI/UX design. Web3 technology is incredible but can be clunky. A little confusing for the average Joe, right? That's where UI/UX designers come in, transforming complex applications into beautiful, intuitive experiences. The demand for talented Web3 UI/UX designers is absolutely through the roof. You're not just making pretty pictures, you're shaping the user experience of the new internet. This is your chance to make Web3 accessible and enjoyable for millions. You're making the future usable. Alright, listen up, because this next one is insane and you probably haven't even thought about it. We're talking about making money with something you use every single day, your voice. That's right, we're diving into voice acting for Web3 games and Metaverse projects. These new digital worlds need personality, emotion, and voices. And guess what? That voice could be yours. This is your chance to get paid, maybe even in crypto that could skyrocket just for talking. How crazy is that? A decent USB microphone and a quiet closet can be your recording booth. Offer your voice for smaller indie Web3 projects, maybe even do a few gigs for free or for a small token payment just to get some killer samples. Create a demo reel showcasing your range. Join Discord communities for Web3 games and metaverses, network with developers, and let them know you're available and eager. This isn't just about earning a few bucks here and there. If you land a recurring role in a popular Web3 game or become the go-to voice for a big metaverse project, we could be talking serious, life-changing income. Imagine getting paid in the project's native token, and then that token goes 10 times, 50 times, or even 100 times. It happens. Your voice could become iconic. You could be shaping entire virtual worlds, bringing characters to life, and creating unforgettable experiences for people all over the globe. This is your chance to be part of something massive, something on the cutting edge of entertainment and technology, and get rewarded handsomely for your unique vocal talents. So, what are you waiting for? The metaverse is expanding at lightning speed, and every new game, every new virtual world, every new NFT project with lore needs voices. This is like the early days of YouTube, but for voice talent in the digital frontier. The opportunities are absolutely massive, and they're only going to get bigger. If you've ever been told you have a great voice, or if you just love the idea of being part of these incredible new Web3 experiences, then this is your call to action. Warm up those vocal cords, start practicing your lines, and get ready to lend your voice to the future. Your fortune in the metaverse could literally be a spoken word away. Let's go. Let's switch gears, because this next way to make money in Web3 is for those who want to be part of Bitcoin's backbone and earn passive income. We're talking about operating a Lightning Network node. Bitcoin is the king, the OG, but small Bitcoin payments can be slow or expensive. The Lightning Network makes transactions instant and cheap. And the best part? You can run your own Lightning node and get paid for it. Think of yourself as a toll booth operator on Bitcoin's express lane. You earn small fees when transactions pass through your node. It's like a tiny, automated Bitcoin business that works for you 24/7. This is next-level passive income. Even a Raspberry Pi can do the job. There are incredible communities and guides to help you. Running a Lightning node supports the Bitcoin ecosystem, making it scalable and efficient. The Lightning Network makes tiny Bitcoin transactions possible, and node operators power it. You're not just earning fees, you're building the future of finance. Coders, developers, and tech geniuses, this is a potential goldmine. We're talking about developing middleware for blockchain integration. Middleware is the crucial bridge that connects Web 2 and Web 3. The demand for these bridges is exploding. Your middleware solution can save the day. Simplify the process for companies and they will line up to pay you. You're looking at a massive business opportunity. The future is a hybrid of Web 2 and Web 3. Bridge these worlds, and that's where the fortune is. Alright, listen up, because this next one is for all you code wizards and digital detectives out there. We're talking about blockchain auditing services, and let me tell you, this is an absolutely critical part of the Web3 world. Imagine someone builds this insane digital vault, like a Fort Knox made of pure code, designed to hold millions, maybe even billions of dollars in crypto. But what if there's one tiny microscopic crack in that code? Just one little mistake, poof! Everything could be gone in an instant, hacked, drained, vanished. That's the nightmare scenario smart contract auditing prevents. These auditors are the unsung heroes, the cybersecurity superheroes diving deep into complex smart contracts to find those dangerous vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. It's intense, high-stakes work, but someone's got to do it. Now why should you care? Because the demand for skilled smart contract auditors is through the roof, and the pay? Oh boy, the pay is absolutely massive. We're talking serious life-changing money here, people. Think about it. These projects, these DAOs, these DeFi protocols, they're handling insane amounts of value. They cannot afford to get hacked, so they are willing to pay top-dollar premium rates for auditors who can give them peace of mind and secure their digital fortresses. It's a specialized skill. Not everyone can do it, which makes those who can incredibly valuable. You're not just debugging code, you're literally protecting fortunes and the future of these Web3 projects. This is a golden ticket opportunity if you have the skills. So what does it take to become one of these digital guardians, one of these highly paid blockchain auditors? Well, you definitely need some serious brainpower, that's for sure. You need to be a rock star in programming languages, especially Solidity, which is what most Ethereum smart contracts are written in. You need a deep understanding of blockchain technology, how it all works under the hood, and all the common attack vectors. And you need an almost obsessive attention to detail, like a digital Sherlock Holmes who can spot the tiniest clue that something is wrong. This isn't for the faint of heart, it's a challenging field, but the rewards, both financially and in terms of impact, are absolutely gigantic. If you're thinking, hey, I've got the coding chops, I love security, this sounds like me, then what are you waiting for? There are amazing resources online to learn smart contract auditing, courses, boot camps, and communities where you can hone your skills. Start by auditing smaller, open-source projects to build your portfolio and your reputation. The Web3 space is desperate for talented auditors. Imagine being the person who saves a revolutionary DeFi protocol from a catastrophic hack, or helps a new NFT project launch securely. You're not just earning big, you're making the entire Web3 ecosystem safer for everyone. That's a legacy you can be proud of and get paid incredibly well for. Let's talk about launching your own NFT marketplace. OpenSea is like the Amazon for NFTs, a massive platform for digital collectibles. The NFT world is vast and growing fast. Create a niche marketplace. Maybe for generative art or music NFTs, the possibilities are endless. How do you make money? Transaction fees, 1 or 2% per sale. Thousands of transactions daily add up, like a digital toll booth. Building an NFT marketplace is a serious venture. You need tech skills or a great team. Attract creators and buyers. The potential upside is huge. Build an incredible community. Be at the heart of a new digital economy. The financial rewards can be astronomical. If you've got the vision, launching an NFT marketplace could be your path to building an empire. Alright, all you gamers and creative geniuses, this one is especially for you. We're diving into the electrifying world of creating blockchain game assets for sale. You can design and create those unique, sought-after in-game assets. Players will pay you, the creator, real money, real crypto, for your digital masterpieces. Your artistic skills can directly translate into a serious income stream. Let's go make some epic loot. Buckle up, team. Method 24 is a game changer for NFT holders. Rent out your NFTs and earn passive income. Imagine leasing your rare digital collectibles or in-game items. Make money while you sleep or play. Rent out powerful weapons or rare skins in blockchain games. Earn crypto from players who need them for events. Platforms like NFT make NFT renting easy and secure. List your NFT, set your price, and let smart contracts handle the rest. Maximize the value of your digital assets. Boost your crypto earnings with minimal effort. Prepare to have your minds blown by Method 25, straight out of a science fiction movie, but happening right now. We are talking about tokenizing real-world assets. Imagine taking actual physical things like a priceless painting, a bar of solid gold, or even an entire apartment building, and transforming them into digital tokens on the blockchain. Thanks to Web3 technology, this revolutionizes ownership and investment, making illiquid assets liquid and accessible to almost anyone. It's like building a digital bridge to the physical world. For our 26th method to make money with Web3, we're diving into something with huge potential for passive income. We're talking about providing decentralized storage. With Web3, you can store files securely and get paid in crypto. Essentially, you're renting out the unused space on your computer's hard drive. It's a critical piece of the Web3 infrastructure. Your computer can earn crypto 24/7 just by being connected to the internet. It's like your hard drive suddenly gets a job and starts paying you rent. Alright guys, this next one is an absolute game changer. Earn money, actual crypto, just by browsing the internet. Imagine getting paid for scrolling through your favorite websites. With Web3 browsers, this is becoming a reality. Turn your everyday internet habits into a money-making machine. It requires almost zero extra effort from you. Every ad you see puts a little bit of crypto into your wallet. That's the core idea behind browsers like Brave. Instead of big corporations hoarding all the ad revenue, they're sharing it with you. It's like the internet is finally paying you back for your attention. Make the switch, try it out, and start earning today. Okay, this next method is huge for all you creators out there, or even if you just own some cool NFTs. We're talking about licensing your NFT or intellectual property rights. You're creating an ongoing revenue stream from something you've made or own. Imagine creating a piece of digital art, music, or a game item as an NFT, and then allowing others to use it for a fee. This is like becoming your own Disney, licensing out your creations for others to use in their projects, and you get paid every single time. This could be your artwork, your brand, your music, your writing, anything unique that you've brought into existence. In the Web3 world, NFTs are revolutionizing how we manage and monetize these rights. An NFT can act as a digital certificate of ownership, but it can also embed licensing terms directly into its smart contract. This means you can grant specific permissions for how your NFT can be used. Maybe someone can use your art in their YouTube video, or a brand can use your character in an ad campaign, and you get a cut. If you're an artist, you could license your NFT artwork to be used on merchandise like t-shirts or posters. If you're a musician, you could license a track for use in a game or a commercial. If you've created a popular PFP profile picture collection, you could license the IP of those characters for animation projects, comic books, or even physical toys. The smart contract can automate royalty payments, so every time your IP is used or resold under the license, you automatically get paid. It's like setting up a passive income stream that works for you 24/7, all powered by the blockchain. This is next-level monetization, guys. And it's not just for big-time creators. Even if you own a valuable NFT from a collection that grants commercial rights to holders, you could potentially license out those rights. Some projects explicitly allow you to do this. You're essentially leveraging the brand and popularity of the NFT you hold to generate income. This opens up a massive new avenue for earning in the Web3 space, so if you're a creator, start thinking about how you can license your digital assets. If you're an NFT collector, check the terms of your NFTs. There's a fortune to be made by smartly managing and licensing your digital IP. Alright, listen up. Create your own Web3 affiliate program. Refer people to crypto exchanges, wallets, or dApps and earn commissions. Build a massive automated income stream in actual crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever coin the program offers, straight into your wallet. Partner with Web3 companies, get a unique referral link, and share it. For every action taken through your link, you earn a commission. Many programs offer recurring commissions, meaning you get paid over and over again. This is the definition of passive income, and it's powerful. Build an entire affiliate empire powered by Web3. Get in on the ground floor and ride this wave to the bank. Blockchain technology ensures transparency and fair payments. Commissions paid in valuable cryptocurrencies can appreciate over time. Web3 is borderless, expanding your potential audience globally. This is affiliate marketing supercharged by the blockchain. So what are you waiting for? Start building your referral machine. Are you ready for this? You can get paid to vote in the Web3 world. Participate in protocol governance and earn rewards. What is governance? Web3 projects are run by their communities. Token holders vote on important proposals. Your vote actually matters, and you get rewarded for it. Earn tokens or incentives for voting, influence projects, and increase your crypto holdings. It's a total game changer. So how do you get in on this action? Hold the project's governance token. More tokens mean more voting power and rewards. Platforms like Aave, Compound, Uniswap, MakerDAO have governance systems. Connect your wallet, review proposals, and vote. It's democracy on the blockchain with financial incentives. Be an active, engaged member and get compensated. This is the future of digital organizations. Earn rewards for being part of this democratic process. Check out governance forums and start earning. Become a stakeholder and get paid for your wisdom. Wow! We just went through 30 insane ways you can make money using Web3. My mind is blown, and yours should be too. Thank you for sticking with us through this marathon of financial opportunities. We've covered everything from trading crypto and yield farming to launching NFTs, building dApps, and even getting paid to vote. This isn't just a trend, this is a revolution, and you are perfectly positioned to take advantage of it. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Share this video with anyone you know who wants to make more money and understand the future of finance. Thank you again for watching, and go out there and make that Web3 money. Let's go, LeroyBrown.com.